These are the top 50 Black Friday tool deals at Lowe's under $100. These are some very budget-friendly and very surprising deals that they drop below $100 on a lot of these. You're gonna be very surprised. Let's go. Lowe's sponsors this video, and if you'd like to check out any of these tool deals, the best way to do that is to click that View Products button right here on YouTube, or you can scan the QR code if you're watching on TV, and of course, links in the description and the pinned comment to help you find them easy. Before we get to those top 50 under $100 tool deals, there's 5 trending tool deals that I have to tell you about. 2 of them are over $100, but the rest are not. But these are absolutely the hottest selling tools at Lowe's right now. First, the DeWalt 2 5 amp hour battery plus charger combo kit. The sneaky good deal here is that you get 2 free bare tools. Now, there is a little trick here on how to choose the gifts. Some people get confused. Click that choose your gifts button and minus any tool that you don't want. Typically, those first 2 tools will have that +1 on it. You want to minus those if you don't want that tool, and then you can select any other tool that you want. If one's already selected, it won't let you add another. So be sure and minus the ones you don't, plus the ones you do. I recommend the router, it's fantastic. And the next and final tool deal that's over $100 is this DeWalt deal. This is one of those deals that a lot of people look at and they glance by, but you shouldn't. $449 seems like a big price, but if you look, these are 2 of the 8 amp hour power pack batteries, the best that DeWalt makes, and you get the fast charger, plus you get to choose 3 free bare tools, and the same thing applies here. If you click on the choose your gift, you'll have to minus the ones you don't and plus the ones you do. Again, I love that router. There are tons of tools to choose from here, just keep clicking that see more button. The number 3 trending tool deal is this Jorgensen parallel clamp. This is a 24-inch version. It is on sale. It was $44.98 all the way down to $29.98. You can select other sizes, but a lot of these are selling out. So if you need other sizes, check to see if those are available for you. The number 4 trending tool deal is this little gem right here, the Irwin Construction Jack. If you don't have any of these in the shop, they're very handy, especially when you have 2 of these. It basically gives you an extra set of hands, helps you hold things up. I actually use these quite often to help pick furniture up in the house, move things around. I actually use this to pick my refrigerator up, put some sliders on it, move it around this last weekend. These are extremely handy in the house or the shop. And for the price, you're saving 20 bucks off. Not a bad deal. And finally, one of the number 1 trending tool deals right now at Lowe's is this bit set, selling over 5,000 units in the last week. And I have it right here. I got this a while back. Fantastic little kit in tough boxes, all locked together. 110-piece set, was $49.98, saving $20 off here, all the way down to 30 bucks or $29.98. It's a great deal. Now for the rest of these deals under $100, I've got them segmented off for you to make it easier to follow along. First, let's do the cordless deals, then we'll get into some hand tool deals and a lot more. First cordless deal on the list is this Craftsman V20 4 amp hour kit. You get the battery and the charger, plus you also get to select that free bare tool. There's several tool deals to choose from here. I'm actually thinking about picking up this with that router. Remember, you do have to hit the minus button, add the one you want, and you'll be good to go. This was $149. You're saving $50 off, plus you get a free tool. This is one of those you can just pick up to have an extra router or an extra drill around the shop. 99 bucks. Before we move into these Black Friday tool deals lists, we look for tool deals every single day to help you save the most money possible. And all you got to do to sign up is to click the first link in the description to sign up for my email newsletter that I send out daily tool deal emails. About 8 o'clock every morning, you'll get it in your inbox so you don't miss a deal. Now, sometimes you might see this access denied page if you open too many Lowe's links at a time. I'm not sure what the issue is. I see this all the time if I try to open more than 5 or 10 Lowe's links. What I found that helps this is you can clear your cache on your browser, or if you have a VPN, you can turn it off or on and then reload the page. It should work. But I wanted you to be aware that it's a little glitch. It's not really anything going wrong on your end. The next cordless deal we got is this $99 Bosch 12-volt impact drill. This was $129 all the way down to 99 bucks. Bosch also has this 18-volt 2 amp hour 2-pack for $99. It was $139. You're going to save $40 off of this combo kit. Craftsman is also in on this with 2 4 amp hour batteries all the way down to $99, saving $50 off. Cobalt is also joining in on these deals. The Cobalt impact driver is all the way down to $79. It was $149. This comes with the battery, the charger, and the carry case, plus that impact. Only $79, saving $70 off. And the drill is also on this deal. This 1/2-inch keyless, brushless, cordless drill. This is also only $79, saving $70 off. You could literally pick up both of these for a really good price. And the last cordless deal I have for you under $100 is this DeWalt light. This is a nice little work light, 500 lumen LED, was $99 all the way down to $59. Gonna save you 40 bucks. Now we're gonna jump into the best hand tool deals that I have found. This Swanson Speed Square. This is a 2-pack. When I first saw the price, I was like, that's not a deal. They're usually around like $8 or $10 a piece anyway. But this is a 2-pack, and it's kind of hard to see here. It is one of my favorite tools. It was one of the first tools I ever started with. I've had this Swanson Speed Square since 1995 when I graduated high school. I went to work construction. It's one of the first tools I bought. It's one of the best tools I've ever bought. Still got it. It works amazingly. This is 2-pack all the way down to $10.98. If you don't have one of these, or if you need some extras from the shop, this is a no-brainer to throw in the cart. Next, we got a best-selling deal here. Over 5,000 of these sold in the last week. This is a 5-piece Cobalt plier set. This was $32.98. It's all the way down to $19.98. It's going to save you a nice little 13 bucks off this set. Jorgensen clamps are on sale also right here with this 4-pack of trigger clamps. These are $10 off. It was $39.98 all the way down to 29 bucks, and you get a 4-pack. Sneaky good deal here. This is a Crescent Lufkin Workhorse Night Eye 2-pack of 25-foot tape measures. Say that 3 times fast. This is $10 off of this 2-pack. It was $39.98 all the way down to $29.98. What I like about this tape measure, this is one of the highest contrast, easy to read tape measures that I own, and the markings are on both sides. It's absolutely amazing. If you don't have one of these, and they're really robust too. Nice little tape measure. But if you prefer a red tape measure, you got to check this one out. Craftsman has this 25-foot tape on for only $16.98. It was $24.98, so you're going to be saving $8. Now, I had this Cobalt 302-piece set in the shop a while back. This is $149 retail. It's all the way down to 99 bucks. This is a solid deal. If you just need a nice mechanics tool set to have around the house or the shop, or even throw in the truck, my son has this one in his truck right now, just in case things happen on the side of the road. It's nice to have a little set. This is a good little set for only $99. Next, this is also a trending deal. Over 1,000 of these sold last week. This was $14.98. Going to save you $5. $9.98 final price on these mini utility knives. Be cool just to have in the pocket, opening boxes around the shop, throw in a toolbox. $9, 98 cents. One of the handiest tools that I bought that I never knew I needed until I got it was a set of ratcheting wrenches. So in other words, the close end has a ratcheting part in it that righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, depending on which way you flip the wrench. I'm telling you, you get into the tight spaces, you'll love these things. This set from Cobalt's a 20-piece set, metric and SAE, $30 off. It was $89.98 all the way down to $59.98 for this set. If you get them, you'll thank me later. Some screwdriver deals here for you got to check out. Klein has this 27-in-1 multi-bit precision screwdriver set on sale. If you look closely, there's a bunch of little bits that get stored inside of this. I love these style because you got all the bits in one. It's harder to lose those bits when they're all included in that combo kit like that, or a combo screwdriver. This would be good just to have for really tiny screws on things that you have to work on, eyeglasses and some smaller parts and pieces. This was $20.98 all the way down to $17.98. Next, Klein has this 1,000-volt insulated 3-piece screwdriver set. This set has sold at 1,000 units over the last week. A lot of people love these. $22.98 was the retail, all the way down to $18.98. Klein also has this 16-in-1 impact-rated hybrid screwdriver / nut driver. I love this thing. I don't actually have this exact model, which I'm kind of jealous about. This has also the bits that store in the end, but the shaft of the screwdriver pulls out to reveal nut drivers and different bits that you can swap out. It's a very nice little screwdriver if you want to pick this up. I may pick this up myself. This is also on sale for $7. It was $29.98 down to $22.98. There's also this 11-in-1 driver. It doesn't have the bits stored up in the handle, but it is also a multi-bit screwdriver and nut driver. Very similar style, just depending on which one you want. This one's a little bit cheaper. $22.98 was the retail, now down to $19.98. Klein also has this hex key and Torx key set on sale for $10. It was $29.98 all the way down to $19.98. Before we get to the rest of the under $100 deals, don't forget to click that View Products button at any time so you can check out all of these deals. I'll also throw that QR code back up for my TV viewers to help you find that easier. And of course, links in the description and the pinned comment. Now let's move on with this list. So a few laser levels here and laser measures you can check out. This right here is the Bosch Blaze 100-foot red indoor distance measurer. This was $59.98. It's all the way down to $39.98, saving you $20. Also on sale are a couple of different Bosch laser line or cross line levels, depending on what color you need and what distance you need. This 50-foot has a red laser. It is on sale for $40 off, $89.98 all the way down to $49.98. This is 1,000 of these were sold last week. This one, not as popular at 500 bought last week. This is the green cross line laser level, and it is a 60-foot level, so not quite as much distance. But if you see green better than you do red, maybe this is a good option for you. This was $119, dropping below that $100 mark that we're looking for, all the way down to $89. Craftsman has this level, very popular level. Over 1,000 people bought this last week. $15.98 was a retail, all the way down to $10.98. Vevor. Y'all know I love this Vevor miter gauge. This thing is one of the best miter gauges, especially budget miter gauges on the market. And right now, you can save an extra $6.60 off, all the way down to $59.39. I love this thing because it goes up to 70 degrees both ways. It also has a micro adjustable stop that you can flip down and just dial in that perfect cut. It's a really nice option, especially at this price. Now we'll get into some of the best deals I found on bits, blades, and other accessories for the shop. First on the list, DeWalt has this 2-pack of 12-inch miter saw blades. You get a 40 tooth and an 80 tooth. So you get one blade for just pretty much rough carpentry, and then that other one, that fine cross cut at 80 tooth. I like running the 80 tooth on my miter saw blade, but it's always good to have an extra blade for roughing stuff up. This is on sale for $10, was $69.98, all the way down to $59.98. One of the most popular bit sets, other than the first one that I showed you that was trending, this is on sale. It was $19.98, all the way down to $15.98, and these fit in your impact driver. So if you have an impact driver, that they have the 1/4-inch ends on them, so that's a solid option if you just need some of those. Skil has this router bit set on sale on a deep sale. Over 500 people bought this last week. It is on sale for $40 off. It was $89.98, all the way down to $49.98. And again, you're getting 16 different bits in this kit to do a whole bunch of different profiles and dovetails and all kinds of stuff. Solid option here if you're looking for a beginner set of router bits. You're going to pick up pretty much every bit that you're going to need in this one. Next up, if you've ever broken the head off a screw inside of a piece of wood, you know how frustrating that can be. You got to check this out. This speed out set is on sale right now. You're going to save $5 off. It was $19.98, all the way down to $14.98. This is a 4-pack double-ended extractor set to help you extract screws, different things like that. I have a set. I think you should too. Before we finish this list up, there are so many tool deals that I can't get to in one single video, which is why I post deals on my website every day. Just go to 731woodworks.com, click on the tool deals button, and you'll see all the tool deals that we're finding. Now let's get into some corded tools that are under $100 that you need to know about. First, Bosch has this 1 horsepower trim router on sale. It was $139, dropping just below that $100 mark to $99, saving you $40 off. This is a nice little tool if you need a router in the shop, especially a trim or palm router, as some people call it. One of the hottest deals trending right now on Lowe's is this shop vac. This is a Craftsman 5-gallon, 4 horsepower wet dry vac. 5,000 people bought this shop vac in the last week. It was $69.98, dropping all the way down to $59.98, saving you $10 off. Solid deal. If you don't have a rotary tool in the shop, they can come in handy a lot of times. This one is on sale for $10 off. This is from Dremel, probably the most popular rotary tool maker. Dremel has this rotary tool kit on sale, $59.98 retail, all the way down to $49.98. If you need a sander in the shop, there's 2 options here depending on your budget. This is a Bosch variable speed random orbital sander with that dust box back there. This is going to save you $20 off right now. It was $89 all the way down to $69. Or you can check out this Skil if you're on a tighter budget. This was $39.98 all the way down to $29.98, saving you $10. This is also a variable speed, and for $29 might be worth the pickup. Bosch has this 4.5-inch paddle switch angle grinder on deal. This is $20 off. It was $109. Now it's dropping below that $100 mark all the way down to $89. Next, we're going to get into some workshop deals like workbenches and sawhorses and things like that to help you hold your work while you're building things. First on the list is the Cobalt folding workbench. I had this in the shop a while back. This is a solid deal at only $69.98. It's going to save you $20 off. This is a great little workbench with a ton of clamping options right on top. And you can even use this as a miter stand or any temporary work surface that you might need here. For $69.98, this is a really good deal. It's a very solid little table. You can also pick up the matching sawhorses. The Cobalt sawhorses are on sale for only $29.98 each, saving you $10 off the regular price. 1,000 of these were sold in the last week. I have a set. They work extremely well. Have these little clips that hold 2-4s on the end, so you can actually set up a bigger workbench with these. And then, of course, on top, they have this non-slip grippy stuff that kind of feels like sandpaper, but keeps things from sliding around. If you are more of a Klein Modbox fan though, this little small workbench, very similar to the Cobalt. It's a little more pricey at $99 on sale, so it barely comes in under that $100. But what this has going for it is the fact that you can use Modbox accessories. So like these hooks you can clip on to hold tools or even cables, cords, things like that. Or this tool organizer where you can just keep tools stored right there on the side of the workbench. It has very similar clamping options on top to the Cobalt, but again, it is a little bit more expensive at $99. but it does give you the option to get those Klein Mod Box accessories, which I would highly recommend. If you're going to get this, I would absolutely recommend the hook, or at least 2 hooks, to help hold cables and tools and things like that. And then I like this nice little tool organizer. Has dividers in there. Also has a metal bar right on the front that you can clip tape measures or even drills with those hooks or anything like that. It's a nice little system. I really like ModBox a lot. And of course, if you get the Klein Workbench, you're going to want matching sawhorses. This 2-pack is only $69.98, saving you $10 off the retail price. Solid deal here if you want Klein sawhorses. I got 3 pneumatic deals here to show you. This Craftsman 6-gallon pancake compressor, 5,000 of these sold in the last week. Very popular deal. Was $169, $70 off, coming right in under that $100 threshold that I've set. $99, and you get a 6-gallon compressor, plus you're gonna want some tools to go with that. So I found this deal on this Craftsman 20-piece air accessory kit. Get you the hose, get you the tire filler so you can air up your own tires, things like that, and several other parts and pieces you would need to go with an air compressor. And if you don't have any, you can pick up this right here. This is a Metabo HPT pneumatic straight brad nailer. It's an 18-gauge brad nailer. The 18-gauge is probably the most popular style of nailer that is used in a workshop to build all kinds of stuff. If you don't have a nailer and you get that compressor, pick this one up too. Now I got a little bit of tool storage for you. First, the Craftsman VersaStack 20-inch plastic rolling toolbox. This is on sale for $30 off. It was $79.98 all the way down to $49.98. Also, this Craftsman VersaStack 2-drawer box is on sale for $9 off. Was $46.98 all the way down to $37.98. Craftsman also has this 1000 series tool chest on sale. This is $25 off. Was $114 all the way down to $89. I told you I was a fan of ModBox. I tested the Klein ModBox system when it first came out. I love that stuff. It is nice, especially when you start adding all those accessories. This is one of the additions they made to this system since I tested it, and that's the little short component box. If you have like electrical connectors, nuts, washers, things like that, this is perfect for that. This is on sale for $12 off. Was $44.98 all the way down to $32.98. Also, the medium toolbox is on sale for $20 off. Was $89.98 all the way down to $69.98. And if you scroll down and you look through here, there are some more Klein ModBox deals. Some of these are over 100 and some of these are under 100, depending on what you're looking for to add to that ModBox system. If you'd like to check out any of these absolutely amazing deals, click that View Products button to check them all out, or if you're watching on TV, scan the QR code with your phone, and of course, links in the description to pin comment, all the common places to help you find these deals as easy as possible. There's more Black Friday tool deals right there at Lowe's that are a little bit over $100, but they're absolutely worth it. You gotta check them out. Clicking that box gets you the big old virtual fist bump. Seriously, go check out the rest of the Lowe's Black Friday tool deals.